Hey, what's up Bitcoin holders? If you want to make money from crypto, just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's start a brand video. Guys, first of all, if I tell you my friend to the Bitcoin price was increased 3.85%, definitely it's gonna be right, because you can see here all crypto market was very badly crashed down, especially in last my friend week now. But in last 24 hour Bitcoin was rise up. You can see here 3.81% the price was increasing, and the volume, as you can see here, 21.89% was increasing. Fully diluted market cap 3%, and market cap was 3%. Remember guys, when the price will increasing, definitely that's mean to market cap was increasing. And remember, to when market cap was increasing 100%, the volume was increasing. So therefore remember, to when volume was increasing 100%, all credit goes to holders, because when holders are starting holding and buying, therefore the volume was increasing. So guys, if we talk about the price chart, whether you can see here in this time, it will dumps down from resistance lines very badly, but I understand my bills to they will be rise up. I don't know to which time, but absolutely they will take up and they will give you a very huge profit. And I already in my recent video tell you my bills the price will be increasing. Buy and hold, buy and hold, and wait for the end of this month. Definitely my friend, is 15 to 10 to 15 days my friend, I think, remaining in this month, and I will give you the guarantee my brothers to Bitcoin will make you millionaire at the end of this month my brother. Very huge pump my friend, especially in this condition. Otherwise all crypto market, all cryptocurrencies were very badly crashed down, but Bitcoin is rise up, and congratulations my brothers, they will give you a profit. Okay guys, so if we talk about my friends the Bitcoin next pump my brother, 100% Bitcoin price will be hit now my friends, 30 USD dollar. So wait for it, and don't forget my brothers to sell. All right, hope you enjoy the video. Please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.